Sharma, you have questions, you have the forum, and I am one of those who believe that the government should have allowed Rahul Gandhi to ask any question, because General Naravne in the book, outside the book, everywhere has said he had a free hand. He was given the free hand, and within 2 hours, despite agreements with China, within 2 hours, the government decided that if there was a requirement, the military had the right to take whatever call they deemed necessary, because military decisions are independent of political interference. So they should have allowed this debate to happen. Having said that, when the response happens, भाग क्यों जाते हो भाई? मुझे ये बता दो.
Navika ji, at least you cannot tell me that ki bhag kyun jate ho, because we are the ones who are standing there. We are the ones who raised Epstein files for the first time in Parliament. We are the ones who have been raising about Epstein file. That has been the biggest concern of all the countries that are involved, jinke leaders ke naam aa rahe hain. We are the ones who raised it first in the Parliament, and we did not get any answer on that. We are the ones who raised about this dangerous trade deal that is going to affect almost all farmers in the country. Farmers are going to lose their livelihood because of this dangerous farm deal.
How?
We are the ones who raised
How?
it in the Parliament.
What will be the price? What will be the price of tomatoes? What will be the price of tomatoes once this trade deal is signed? American tomatoes, how much will they cost in India? Please tell me.
No, I am asking, will the tariff will be zero or not? You tell me.
नहीं, आप बता दो ना. आपको
You
तो
tell
सब
me
पता
the
है.
tariffs will be
आपको
zero
तो
or not?
सब पता है कि हम मर गए, लुट गए, खत्म हो गए. तो आप बता दो ना, टमाटर कितने के होंगे? बताओ.
ये तो you go and ask this to the farmers who are crying over it.
भाई, do you know the details?
American-
Because you are saying everybody will die and Indian farmers will lose their business. So I want to know what will be the price of tomatoes. Please tell me, so that I can raise that issue on national television. No, that this is going to be the impact.
Navika ji, right
आपको
now,
पता है?
नाविका जी, मुझे पता है, आप मुझे बोलने दीजिए.
हाँ, बोलिए.
आप do you know how much tariff right now India is imposing on the imports on American goods? Do you know that?
Yes.
It's more than 50% right now. And if we are going to make it zero, is it going to affect the Indian market or not?
But do you
Indian
know?
farmers or not?
Do you know
I'll
which?
give you a small
Do
example.
you know which group of vegetables and fruits and farm products will have what duty rate? Do you know that?
This is what, if you want to go in the technicalities, I'll go into that.
What is
I'll
the
tell you how it's
technicality?
going to-
You
how
know,
is it going
if there is blueberry import at
just let me
0%,
complete.
how does that bother you? Because blueberries are not grown in India, my friend.
नाविका जी, मुझे कंप्लीट तो करने दीजिए एक सेंटेंस. बोलने तो दीजिए. कैसे पता लगेगा? आज अगर आप टेक्निकलिटीज में जाना चाहते हैं, आज जो कपास है, जो कॉटन है, वो इंडियन प्रोड्यूसर जो है, जो क्लॉथ प्रोड्यूसर है, वो इंडियन फार्मर से खरीदता है, और अमेरिकन कपास पे 50% उसके ऊपर टैरिफ लगता है, और वो इंडियन कपास जो है उससे महंगा हो जाता है. अगर आप उससे 50% टैरिफ लगा देंगे.
Anand Ranganathan, the commerce minister has made a statement that was reiterated by the Prime Minister, that the deal will be, a joint address will be made next week, but they will not wait for that. They will start talking about things that they don't know anything about what groups of products will have what rate, which will be known next week. They will ask questions only on that and say, hi mar gaye. You know, Anand Ranganathan, do you understand this level of opposition without knowing the facts?
Navika, I'll come to the trade deal in 10 seconds, but usse pehle my good friend Sharma ji from AAP, he is quite right, and I agree with him, and I've told you this previously as well. Yes, the government, including Mr. Modi or somebody, must discuss Epstein's file that AAP has brought up and tell the whole parliament and the nation why the names of Narendra Modi, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi and Arvind Kejriwal have cropped up in the Epstein's file. अब ये पूछिए इनसे, क्या आपको पता था कि Epstein's फाइल में अरविंद केजरीवाल का भी नाम है? Say yes or no. Say yes or no.
कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, कुछ भी.
Did you know this or not?
कहां की नई इंफॉर्मेशन लेके आए हैं जनाब आप?
मैं आपको अभी अगर प्रूफ दूं, will you apologize? If I give you the proof, will you apologize?
मैं आपको चुनौती देता हूं, या तो आप ये प्रूफ दीजिए इस चैनल पर, नहीं तो आप तैयार रहिए कानूनी कार्रवाई के लिए।
Well, the
आप
channel
कानूनी कार्रवाई
the
के लिए
channel has
तैयार
nothing to
रहिए।
do with this. You know, Anand Ranganathan, if you're making a charge, then please produce the proof. It is between you and the Aam Aadmi Party, not
I never say
liability of the channel.
कानूनी
I
कार्रवाई के
never
लिए
say
तैयार
anything
रहिए।
without proof. Now
आप
be
कानूनी
quiet.
कार्रवाई के लिए तैयार
Be
रहिए।
quiet. अरे
आप
आपके
जनाब
कानूनी कार्रवाई यहाँ देख
कार्रवाई
लो,
के लिए तैयार रहिए।
इधर
आप
देख लो, ये डेटा सेट में
आप
देखो, पहले
कानूनी
ज्यादा
कार्रवाई
चिल्लाना
के
बंद
लिए
करो।
तैयार रहिए आप।
नाविका सुनिए, आप एक
जैसे
मिनट,
लोग जो व्हाट्सएप
अरे
यूनिवर्सिटी का
सुन लो
ज्ञान
भाई,
बनाने के-
डरो मत इतना,
Okay,
इतना डरो मत।
Nivan Sharma,
नाविका, please
Nivan
allow.
Sharma, Anand Ranganathan is making a point while, you know, if it is not evidence, I will stop him. But let's first hear him with your permission, Anand.
This is from the Department of Justice website. And what did I say? I said why the names of Narendra Modi, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi and Arvind Kejriwal are in Epstein's file. Please look at this data set and click on it. What does it say?
नाविका
It
जी,
mentions the name Arvind Kejriwal
आप
just like the names of Narendra Modi have been mentioned. And the names of...
के लिए ये तैयार रहे, या
Okay.
तो ये
हाँ भाई तैयार हूं मैं,
या तो
अभी
ये-
तैयार हूं।
Okay, okay. Nivan Sharma, please respond. Nivan Sharma, please respond. It's just a name. The context is not there. Nothing is there. And Anand Ranganathan, I've not seen it, so I'm not endorsing this in any way. This is, as I said, between Anand Ranganathan and the Aam Aadmi Party. But Nivan Sharma, you have a right to rebut. Please go ahead.
देखिए, जिस तरह से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी व्हाट्सएप को कोट करके संसद में अरविंद केजरीवाल और संजय सिंह जी के ऊपर पर्सनल अटैक करते हैं, उसी तरह से इन्होंने चैनल पे आके जो झूठ परोसा है उसके ऊपर हम
कौन सा
कानूनी
झूठ?
कार्रवाई
आप show
करेंगे।
the DOJ. Be
आप
quiet.
कानूनी कार्रवाई के लिए तैयार रहिए।
All
आप
right.
कानूनी
Well,
कार्रवाई
we
के
are
लिए तैयार
digressing.
रहिए।
We are
आप लोग-
digressing from the debate. We are digressing from the debate. So I want to go across to Vivek Srivastava. Vivek Srivastava, my question is that the Prime Minister spoke in Parliament. In Lok Sabha, there was an untoward incident. There were reasons given by the Speaker. There was neither a discussion nor a debate, and neither a response. But in Rajya Sabha, there was. The Prime Minister was responding in Rajya Sabha. Why did members of the opposition parties not stay back and listen to the response?
Nobody is willing to listen to his monologue anymore. People know that what nonsense this government is doing, how shady this new deal is. Be ready for another farmer agitation. MSP आप दे नहीं आए, American products को सस्ते में यहाँ पे आप बेचेंगे, and that has been our protesting point, not only of us, but BJP itself in Swadeshi Jagran Manch in 1990s said that allowing anything in agricultural products from abroad, even if it is cheaper, is not done because our own farmers are suffering right now. So be ready. ये बकवास जो इन्होंने करी है, एप्स्टीन फाइल्स की वजह से ब्लैकमेल हुए हैं, और उसके बाद ये डील जो पोस्टपोन की जा रही थी उसको साइन किया। वेनेजुएला जिसके ऊपर अमेरिका का कब्जा है, यू आर ट्राइंग टू बाय ऑयल फ्रॉम इट। दिस इज आई मीन एक मॉरल स्टैंडर्ड होता है एक देश का, एक मॉरल स्टैंड होता है। वी ऑलवेज सेड दैट यू आर annexing वेनेजुएला, kidnapping its president is not done, but it was done. So be ready. I mean ये वो टाइम चला गया कि ये आएंगे भाषण में। क्या भाषण दिया है? राहुल गांधी नेम ले लिया, नेहरू। I mean we are not coming to discuss the Gandhi family and the legacy of the Gandhi name. आप आए हैं, आप एप्स्टीन फाइल से बोलिए, आपकी ट्रंप के साथ डील है बोलिए, फार्मर्स के एमएसपी पे बोलिए, आप नहीं बोल रहे हैं। You are only attacking the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi, the family of Nehru, Nehru in person.
Pradeep Bhandari, what was the topic of the debate in Parliament? It was a debate on the Rashtrapati ji's address to Parliament.